this week we've ran what we've called a vertical studio, meaning that we've engaged all year 1, year 2 and year 3 students on a group project all together to design the shelter for a Hangi Pit that has been recently completed on campus next to the Te Puna Wanaka building.
It's been fast-paced. It's really interesting to see how much work can get turned out by everyone in such a short period of time.
And they had a week, which to me, that astounds me. And seeing what they did, just the level of commitment that they had portrayed, that they had brought together, that they had built. And this was actually a collaborative approach, not just with us, because it's going to be with us. When I say us, I talk about Te Puna Wanaka, I talk about Bachelor in Architectural Studies and also trades. So them actually being able to get to the end of it and build.
So the students had to understand the cultural background of the projects that they were doing and give an architectural response to that.
So the brief really was to come up with what we call a wharau, a tā wharau, which is a shelter concept for our Hangi Pit. What that could look like and how we could then grow that. We all understand that a hangi is more than just food. It's about the manaakitanga. It's about bringing people together. It's about making the connection, the te hononga, with others.
They built amazing models out of recycled cardboard. Today they're going to present their work, and the winning design is actually going to be built by the trade students. I think the students and also staff, we found this collaboration super meaningful, and we've all learned so much about Mātauranga Māori and how embedding Māori culture in architecture can only really enrich it.
It's really powerful to have it from the start of a project and not as a token. Like, this is like the driving force behind it, and really nice to be welcomed on to Te Puna Wanaka and broaden my cultural perspective and probably a few other people's as well.
I think that's our baseline, right? In regards to bringing that cultural capability to other spaces and also that cultural awareness into our students, giving them a different lens, and they could then take that out into the industry. This helps them to know and to grow. As much as it's about what we want to get done, it's about taking them on that journey. They have a greater awareness, a greater appreciation and a greater wanting, right? They want to be a part of this, which I think is really being portrayed in what it is that they're doing.